Hi everyone, and a special hello to you that's watching this video. I just want to show you something quickly. Our neighbor's little white and ginger cat decided to come and visit us here in my garden. He's lying in the shade under a tree. He's so beautiful. This one is lazing around on the couch here. She had a little shave, so now he's not falling out all over the place. Mama's little beauty. And the other one is, I don't know why, she's a bit scared of this room. The other day she got tangled in all the wires of when I was cleaning, and yeah, since then she's too afraid to come inside this room. Okay, but let's carry on. Okay, so yeah, new day, new project. Yeah, I'm going to start at last. I'm going to start with the teenager's room. And so this wall I'm going to totally do makeover. I've got a cardboard here. I'm going to cut out a new wall because I'm going to have to make it longer, because I'm going to extend the floor here to the side here. And so that's, I'm just going to paste a piece in there, and then this wall must come longer. So this, I'm going to still use this walls. It's only the back one, and then it's only going to be, I'm going to make a window here by this bathroom, well, guest bathroom and bathroom for the boy, obviously. What so yeah, just here must be a window. There's no going to be, I'm not going to cut out any windows yet, because I'm still deciding where I want to put the windows. I'm thinking of maybe make 2 windows here for in the room, with the bed in between the 2 windows, or just one big window like with the parents' room that side. I can't decide yet. And then of course the bathroom window here, I'm going to make a bathroom. So I actually first want to measure out the bathroom size, and then I'm deciding if I'm going to put a window in this side or either this side. I can't decide yet. So yeah, that's how I build a house. As I go on, I figure out things, and yeah, always change my mind about things. So yeah, then the rest is going to be the same as on that side there, which I actually think looks quite nice. I showed you on the previous one, I cut my finger somewhere here with something, and I thought it was a stapler or something that was in the cardboard, and couldn't understand. And then actually it was the shower's little tap. Where is that? That I made too long, so that was sticking through, and that was what cut me on the finger here. So yeah, but I filed it down, cut it down and filed it down, so there is nothing there anymore. But yeah, let's get started. so I figure out what my actual problem was here with this wall. It was not that the wall was skew, it was that this wall is too much to the front. There's a big gap actually here. So if I put otherwise if I put this wall against that wall, there's space here and I don't want that. I want this wall on a line here. So I'm gonna have to take this walls off and move it to the back. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do now. So let's carry on. and the back wall is at last finished. I've decided, okay, like I said, I'm not going to put any windows in here now. I first want to decide where I'm going to put the windows. But yeah, the back side is finished, but I was in such a hurry to get everything finished. Like even the side walls, I finished that as well. So yeah, I'm quite happy with how that came out. But like I said, I was in such a hurry, I forgot I'm going to have to take this part off again to do the electrical lights or all the lightnings for the lapa. But yeah, I will figure that out when I come to that problem. But for now, yeah, I'm happy. It's beautiful. I think it looks nice. So yeah, the windows will come here later, and then in front I stole a little bit of the room for the bathroom, but yeah, not much. But now everything is finished. Now I can actually start from in the inside again. I didn't put any wallpaper up again in the here because I'm still going to decide when I design all the colors and all the things that just have to come here. Okay, so yeah, now I can start again on the inside. So I'm going to do the inside walls. I'm also going to do it room for room, like what I did here on the bottom piece. Okay, but yeah, the day is over again. And my husband's already home. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Press that subscribe button, and you can see and the notification bell, and we'll see when I upload the next video. Because next I'm going to start with this room, the inside. So yeah, it's a shambles now, but it's going to end up beautiful. So see you next time. Bye.